Let's look at buttons and interaction. To show button, we have the button component, and then you import it. So the button, when you look at it, these are the properties you can set on it. The first one is the on click, which is required. That's why we are getting this red error here. So for now, like I told you earlier, just put a curly bracket. Inside this curly bracket, that's where we program the action or the reaction when you click on the button. The button is just a container. So if you want to show a test on it, inside this curly bracket, this is where you add the label for the button. So the label, we know if you want to show a test, we use the test component. So just come here and then add a test component, and then pass the test property of click me. So anytime we click on this button, we want something should happen. It should trigger something. Whatever you want it to do, you program it inside this curly bracket. So here I can just print something to the console. Anytime we run this application and you click on the button, we want to print the message button clicked. So this one, we need to run the application. This is our application. When we click on it, there is a reaction. Now, where do we see that print message? So there's this icon over here called lock cat. Lock cat. It has a cat icon. If you can't see it, come to this more option and then you see it in the list called lock cat. But once it's here, let's continue. So lock cat, you click on this lock cat, it reveals the inner workings of the application. So this is how you take a look at what is happening inside your application. When there's error in your application, all of them will be shown at the lock cat. So the print that we added to the application, anytime someone clicks on the button, this guy will print it onto the console. So that's what is happening. I can clean it by clicking on this delete button that clears everything. And then when I go back and click on it once, you see the message, button click. If I click on it again, you see button click. So I click on it again, button click. So this window is called Lockat. It helps you to view or watch what is going on inside your application. So let's try something. So I'll copy this and then duplicate it. I'll add some text. Then so what I want to do is when I click on the text, I want to change it. So I'll create a variable here. I'll create a variable called text and then set it to hello. When the user click on the button, I want to change the text to hello. So you see now this text is showing the hello text. So when we click on it, I want to change it to something different. The text, I'll set it to clicked. Right. So I created this variable and then I pass it to this text. And then now when I click on the button, I want to change the text from hello world to clicked. Let's change the text so that it makes sense. We know what we are dealing with. So change. So I'll run it again. So when you click on change text, we want to see the new text clicked, but it is not changing. Don't worry. In the next episode, we will learn how to fix it. So in the next video, let's build something real. Enough of the components, learning of the components. Let's build an actual design to put together or practice all the things that we've learned. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.